What's up everyone, welcome to CodeWizNik, the place where coding becomes fun and easy. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel once again, and I am super glad to have you here. After uploading the video on how to delete a partition from hard disk, I am back with this video to tell you what this channel is really about and what you can expect in upcoming videos. On this channel, we will cover everything step by step, starting with the installation of VS Code, setting up GitHub, and slowly diving deep into the world of web development. We will also solve all kinds of tech related questions, and I will try my best to explain every concept in simplest and easiest way possible. After the VS Code setup, I will guide you through what GitHub is and how to create a GitHub account both using the terminal and through the browser. Once we are done with the basics, we will jump into the coding, starting from the beginner level and moving up to the advanced. Whether it's web development or programming languages, you will find it all here with consistency and clarity. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel and join me on this exciting journey. I will see you in the next video with something new.